Welcome to the JWK show. Thank you for tuning in. We have the crypto market having a slight recovery, XRP as the top weekly gainers with a 17.5% return. And then we have Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Solana up all around 13-15%. So great to see after we have seen the flash crash in the crypto market moving down for the past week, last week. And now we do have crazy things happening in the markets. And with this happening, it does seem like we are getting near to the XRP bull run happening again. So we do have silver smashing $54. And then after that, we have CME going down due to technical issues. We can see we have, due to technical issues, the CME Globex futures and options markets have been halted. So we have seen a massive halt to the markets. We can see we do have BEARABLEGUY123, his Riddle 589. We have Cobalt, Comics, Nostro, and Liquidity. So we do have Comics activating right now from the BEARABLEGUY123 photo. We do have Comics stripping for technical issues when silver was breaking all-time high with little resistance. So it does seem like we have silver breaking the markets, and this is the reason why we have CME halting all futures trading because of a cooling failure at their data center. Guys, the entire derivatives markets froze because a server room got too hot. This is the exact same markets moving trillions, setting global prices, hedging entire economies, right? So obviously, this is not a great excuse, and there's obviously another reason why we have CME halting all futures trading. And again, that is most likely due to silver going parabolic, about to have a massive breakout. So we can see we have CME futures halted incredibly just as silver and gold were about ready to launch. And we can see we do have the reasons why we could see the halt happening. We have Comics Rule 589 as shown by BG123, circuit breaker for metals, futures, gold, silver, triggers halting, trading halts on extreme volatility to curb panic selling. And we have CME halt timing occurring right as gold silver prices surge per X post, classic rule 589 activation. And we have speculation on purpose. If intentional technical issue, it could mask a forced shutdown to suppress metals rally, protecting shorts banks from massive losses in a breaking market. So it seems like many different banks and shorts were about to lose a ton of money. Thus, they halted the markets and suppressed the price of silver back down. And so we did see momentarily silver going back down. But taking a look at the markets, we can see silver still continuing to move back up, nearing a new all-time high. In fact, making a new all-time high, now trading at $55.61. So it seems like even the market halt from CME was unable to stop the short squeeze happening with silver, and now we have short sellers and some banks getting absolutely wrecked with silver going parabolic. We do have history repeating. We have Black Friday started off as the gold panic of 1869 and is now turning into the gold and silver panic of 2025. But this time, guys, we have silver and gold going parabolic. And we also have 13 Bitcoin options expiry today. So we should see a lot of volatility. This usually triggers major repositioning as traders unwind leverage and institutions rebalance. Volatility is expected to spike around expiry, but what comes after is more important, right? If we see Bitcoin break above the $98,000, this signals strength and can set the new stage for the next leg up, which means that we should see Bitcoin setting a new all-time high once we see Bitcoin breaking above the $98,000. Now we do have Tether as one of the biggest crypto companies hoarding more gold than entire countries. So what is going on? We do have a theory from Real Remy Relief, and that is Tether acting as a shadow company, buying gold on the behalf of the USA government, again, as a shadow company. They don't want the gold FOMO, and so we do have the USA accumulating gold behind the scenes. So that could definitely be a possibility. We have gold exploding right now as we speak as well, but we have right now silver making a new all-time high. We can see gold trading at $4,203, all-time high at $4,381. And we have exchanges and treasury companies also massively buying Bitcoin. We have Wintermute, Coinbase, BitUNIX, Binance, Bitwise, BITUNIX, and so on. We're talking about thousands and thousands of Bitcoin. And so this is how we know we had the reversal beginning, as we have major buying happening from insiders. And we have this Mr. Pool tweets. We have wait halt 1127. Wait. So we do have Mr. Pool for telling us of the CME futures halt. Keep in mind we have XRP also listed on the CME as well. So could we see XRP also moving up in price with this halt? As of now, XRP trading at $2.23 today, going as high as $2.27. And lastly, we have more onward references as well from the BEARABLEGUY123, onward and upward SWC. And now we have from Jack McDonald's, CEO at Standard Custody. We have onwards in response to. We have the RLUSD greenlisted by Abu Dhabi's FSRA. We have mass adoption happening in Abu Dhabi. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.